This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming iCloud Photos is active so your images can upload. Once done, open Photos and select every item you plan to share. You can pick multiple files quickly with tap and drag. Make sure the device has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection so upload's complete. You're starting the action now. Selected photos will be prepared by iCloud for a shareable link. This step avoids sending files directly and ensures recipients get a viewable cloud link instead of large attachments. With items selected, tap the share icon and look for Copy iCloud link in the options. Choose it. iCloud then prepares the files. This can take seconds to minutes depending on size, so wait until the share sheet confirms the link is copied. Once the link is ready, it's on your clipboard and ready to paste into any app. If you need to adjust which images are included, cancel and reselect. Make sure uploads complete fully so the link resolves correctly for recipients. Now paste the copied iCloud link into your chosen app and send it. You can add context text before sending. The recipient taps the link to view or download from iCloud without needing an Apple ID in most cases. Once finished, confirm they received and could open it. If the link doesn't work, one key troubleshooting tip. Ensure iCloud Photos finished uploading and you have enough iCloud storage, then regenerate the link. Also check network and try again if creation stalled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.